Today in Kiyoko's kitchen, we're going to make Nishoku Gohan, which is basically ground up beef and egg over rice.
Quarter pound.
Okay. You beat it up, it starts out looking like beef, and when you're done, it's going to be small pieces of beef. It takes about, 5 minutes or so.
About 5 minutes, yeah.
And then you add some water, and we'll show you that in a minute. Well, you can see the beef is cooking now. Next for the big action. Once the beef is cooked, get out the mashed potato machine or tool, and you keep doing this until you got tiny pieces of beef. Okay, drain the oil off the beef. Put enough water until it's covered.
Yeah.
And the water is going to boil away. You're also going to add some shoyu or soy sauce.
Sugar. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and it cooked all the way down.
You stir it and then just keep cooking until all the juice is boiled away.
Five eggs. One tablespoon. 2 tablespoons.
Okay. And that's sugar.
Yeah.
Mix that up.
Beat the egg.
Prepare this while the beef is cooking. Once you mix it, it goes in the skillet, and you're going to kind of shred it into little pieces also. After about 10 minutes, your beef starts to look like this, and now we prepare the egg.
Like almost no juice.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 teaspoon oil.
You're going to add the egg, which has been mixed thoroughly, into a hot skillet, and you're going to scramble them.
With about 5 chopsticks.
The technique to use today will be 5 chopsticks to scramble them really well into fine pieces. Okay, add the egg. 5 eggs go into the skillet. And it starts to look like a omelet, but you don't want that. You want them as they're cooking in a fairly medium-high heat.
With about 5 chopsticks.
You stir and stir and stir and stir.
Don't burn. Because the sugar inside burn easy.
Ah, yeah. Gotta watch it, it can burn easy. See, the 5 chopsticks are all separated. Hold them in your hand. And you're starting to get the egg starting to solidify. It looks difficult, but it's not too hard as long as you keep moving.
Just keep it mixing.
Yeah, don't let it burn. Okay, as you can see, it's solidified really nicely. And you just keep stirring until they get smaller pieces. This recipe only has 2 main ingredients. The shoyu flavored ground beef and the sweetened eggs.
Put the rice, make it flat. Put the unlike meat this way.
Ground beef on one side, egg on the other side, and thus you have Nishoku, 2-color rice. There it is, ready to eat. So this is best eaten with a spoon. You kind of mix the two items together and you grab a scoop of the rice and there you go.